What's going on, everybody? Game time here. I had vowed to stop opening these, but the sale that DA Card World had was just too good to pass on. I've enjoyed opening these. I know you've seen a million videos, and I've got more. It's just crazy. And I really wasn't going to get any more, but it dropped to a price that I just couldn't pass it up. The value was too great. I'm all about value in the boxes. I get sick of buying these boxes that give you a couple of cards, and unless you get a big hit, it's like a kick in the teeth. So now this is a box with very few cards, but the value typically outweighs the price, sometimes by a good bit. Sometimes you just break even. If you're a collector, that doesn't even matter that much, but still, these are good if you're just a collector who keeps these cards, because you're going to get a lot of game use and auto in here. And with all of that rambling said, I'm going to get into it. I have pulled all kinds of stuff from here, these boxes, just all kinds of stuff. I've opened multiple blaster box cases. The blaster boxes are good. This is, in my opinion, one of the best value products that Panini has put out for 2018. I hate saying that about a box with so few cards, but at its price point, that's just true in my opinion. I guess I really should think about that statement more before I go throwing that out there. So there's some thick packs and some thinner packs. I'm just going to do them in the order they came out of the box. This is one of the thicker ones. Caden Grenier, Alec Boychuk, KJ Harrison, and our first hit is Caden Grenier. It is a Silhouettes black ink jersey auto, sticker auto, numbered to 199. We also have a longevity parallel of Bryce Terang, Pete Crow Armstrong, Grant Koch, and Grant Taylor. Mason Denneberg, Alex Fado, a Jake Berger to 25, USA Hollow Full Parallel, number 25 out of 25. Michael Saani, it's a good one, on card black ink autograph, numbered to 499. Brandon Dieter, longevity parallel. King Griffey Jr., Raynel Delgado, and Brendan McKay. Let's save that thickest pack for last, I think. I like seeing their big old crazy jersey button patch. Who knows what everything comes out of here. Seth Beer, good card there. Rock Riggio, John Olsen, a Keston Ura, very nice. Ah, nice autograph too. That is a good one. Numbered out of 137. Have a longevity parallel of Evan White, Kyle Wright, Nick Springle, and Nelson Berkwich. Pack number 4. Mac DeCetti, Bryce Tucker, Team Checklist, Nick Madrigal, another Silhouettes auto, and that's a good player again too, numbered to 199. Happy with that. Jake McCarthy, longevity foil parallel. Gianluca Delatri, Giuseppe Ferraro, and Big Hurt Frank Thomas. It's storming here. I don't know if you can hear that in the background, but it's not my stomach rumbling, it's thunder. Tyler Holton, Jake Berger, a Nick Meyer black ink on card autograph to $4.99. And another hit, Nate Vogelmuth to 25, and it is sweet, an autograph and patch. A Petey Halpin longevity parallel, JT Ginn, Ryan Vilade, and Carter Young. Our little recap won't take very long. Little stack of base, not too many. All of these were parallels, with the highlight being the Burger to 25. We ended up with, we were supposed to get, I think it's 5 hits, and we ended up with more. The Vogelmuth Gold patch. 1 Nick Meyer on card, 2 Nick Madrigal, 3 Castanura, 4 Michael Sani, 5, and Caden Grenier, 6. So 1 extra hit, and there was not a single hit that didn't include an autograph, and that makes this a really, really good box. A lot of them have just a jumbo patch solo or a tools of the trade, which can be multi quad jersey with a piece of bat maybe thrown in there, but that's, I think, the first box I've opened that had nothing but autographs, so I'm calling that a win. That's a good one. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe. I would appreciate it very much, and we've got lots of goodies coming up, lots more boxes, lots more to explore, talk about, do. If you love cards, hopefully you'll love this channel. Take care, everybody. Bye bye.